Did you know that swapping pasta for zucchini noodles can significantly cut your carb intake? This delicious and refreshing dish is not only easy to make, but it also packs a nutritious punch that your body will love. Try this today. Spiralize 2 medium zucchinis to create your noodles, which are not only low in calories but also high in vitamins. In a pan, heat a tablespoon of olive oil over medium heat. Add the zucchini noodles and sauté for just 2 to 3 minutes until slightly tender. You want them to maintain some crunch for the perfect texture. Meanwhile, prepare the pesto. Blend together 1 cup fresh basil, 1/4 cup pine nuts, 1/2 cup Parmesan cheese, and 1/2 cup olive oil until smooth and creamy. Season with salt and pepper to taste for that extra flavor kick. Toss the warm zucchini noodles in the pesto, ensuring every strand is beautifully coated. Imagine a vibrant green plate of zesty noodles that not only looks amazing, but also keeps you feeling light and energized throughout the day. This dish is perfect for lunch or dinner, and it's a fantastic way to incorporate more veggies into your diet. Would you try this? Share your thoughts or your favorite healthy food hacks below.